Hey my friend, come closer. Do you know this video you are watching right now in the background is fake? Yes, it's fake. I know you don't know. But before we proceed, I have a question for you. What is stopping you from creating that content you have in your mind right now? Is it because of your camera or your environment? Is it because you don't have a nice apartment or a good place to shoot your content? Worry no more. In today's video, I have brought you an alternative. So once you finish watching this video, you will see every reason to start creating your content from now onward. In order to achieve this, what you just watched right now, there are some things you need to put in order before you start shooting your video. Yeah, like I said, before you can achieve that kind of thing, the video that you just watched earlier, first thing you need to do, you need to shoot your video in a clear background. You need to avoid a noisy background. What do I mean by a noisy background? A background where there is a lot of activities going on, like where there is a lot of things on the wall or in your surroundings. No, just look for a clear background like this, then and use it. By all means, when trying to shoot a video like this, always use a clear background to avoid some kind of issues like a cracking video. Number 2 is lighting. You need to have a proper lighting. So set your lighting very well, so that when you are adding the background, there will not be shadow on the video. But I will recommend ring light. If you cannot afford ring light, you can actually take your table, wherever you are using your camera, to your window side and use daylight to shoot your video. Like this video right now, I'm actually using sunlight to shoot this video because there's nothing like ring light here. If you don't have light in your room, you just need to take your camera close to your window. You want to look at the window, you need to take your camera close to your window. As you can see right now, this is where I'm shooting my video right now. So I'm using the sunlight. I'm using the sunlight right now to shoot my video. You can actually achieve your light by creating your video near your window. So I think that is that for that. And thirdly, you need to take a note of this one. Your camera must not be shaking. Your camera must be fixed in one place. So when shooting such video, you must not give your camera to someone to hold it for you while shooting the video. No, your camera need to be fixed in one place. So just find a way to make sure that your camera is not shaking. You can use a ring light or tripod, but if you cannot afford all those things, you can just find a way to make sure that your camera is fixed in one place. That is the only way you can achieve such video. Because if your camera is shaking, at the end of the day, when you want to add the background, the thing will be cracking. So your camera need to be fixed. It's very important. If you don't have a tripod, you can actually place your camera on the wall anywhere that the camera can just be static. Now follow me, let me show you how you can change your background in CapCut. And before we dive into the game, I would love you to follow this page right now, and then also share this video for more people to see, because you doing that, you are actually encouraging me to do more video like this. You know, to create content is not easy. I actually took my time to create this amazing content for you because I know it will really help you and go a long way for you. So the only way you can help me is by sharing this video and then liking, commenting. That is the only way you can help me. You doing all of that, it's a way of encouragement. Now let's head over to CapCut. As you can see, this is the surface of CapCut, and the next thing we need to do here is to generate the background that we want to use. And there are so many websites where you can download or generate a good background. Website like Pixel, Freepik, and in fact you can also download background from Google or from your Chrome. But in today's video we'll be using CapCut AI image generator. In CapCut AI image generator, You can actually generate any background image you wish to. A background of a room, of a living room, a bedroom, a kitchen, a studio, anywhere you wish to. They are there. Now let's generate our image. Yeah, as you can see up there, photo editor, camera, AutoCAD, production, photos, and you just need to click on that expand. So they will show you all of this. They come to this text to image. Then click on text to image. You allow it to load. As you can see, all these things now, I'm the one that generate all this image before. So like right now, let's assume I want to generate a studio background. As you can see, that's what I'm writing there, a studio room. So you click on that, generate, you allow it to load. As you can see, it's loading. It's loading, just allow it to load. You need to own your data here anyway. As you can see, just allow it to load. As you can see, these are the image they generate for me. So let me check if I will see the one I like. So I don't think I like anyone here. Now I can decide to go back to go and look for something else. So let's check this one out. I don't think I like this one too. So look, let me add. Okay, I'm not saying with a. No, I wanted to say with some lights. So I add with some light. Let me see if I will see what I like there. So you just click on the generate. So you allow it to load as usual. Now it's loading. So just give it time. Okay, this is what they actually generate for me right now. I think I love what I'm seeing. So I just click on that first one. Once you click on it, you come to your save, then you save it. Go back, you will see something like this. So from here, you click on the new project. You import the video that you want to change the background. This is the video I want to change the background right now. So as you can see, once the video is there, what you need to do, click on the video, then look for remove background. That is a remove BG. That is it over there. You click on it, they will show you this 3 things. So click on auto remove. So once you click on auto remove, as you can see, the background has been removed, but you have to give it time. Allow this thing to load. It might take about 30 seconds to load. So once it's done loading, you can now proceed. Now it's done loading, as you can see. So you just need to from here, you need to go back, then scroll down. As you can see here, you see background. Click on that background, then they will show you all of this. Now let's start with dark colors. Click on the colors. No, we are not dealing with colors, but I just want to introduce it to you. As you can see, you can just choose any color of your choice. That is, if you don't want to generate image, you can just still use any of these colors. So okay, then let's check that image out. Click on that image. As you can see here, there's still a lot of background too, which you can use. That is, if you don't want to generate any image, but this is what we are after now. So click on the image. As you can see, they will take you to your gallery. That is the background you downloaded earlier. So once you click on the background will show in your video automatically.
It's fake. Yes, it's fake.
Guys, that is it. Very simple, but it has a lot of things to put into consideration. You just have to practice it. As you know, practice makes perfect. So as time goes on, you will get better, even more than me. I need you to use a different background to practice your own. So do it and see, and you will see for yourself how it goes. Oh yeah, and if you learn something from this video, kindly go to the comment section and type "this is great." And please don't forget to share this content to more people to see, and then follow this page. Thank you.